Hey kids, welcome back to Learn with Maktoum. So in the last video we have finished the question answers from chapter 1 to 5. Yes, so today we will continue from chapter number 6 to 10. Okay, so let's start. Chapter 6, My House. So in this chapter we studied about the house. Yes, so what are the parts of house like door, window, room, kitchen, hall? Yes, so let us see the question answers. Fill in the blanks. Here these fill in the blanks, I have not filled the answers because here you can write the general answers, like it is not specific, like you can write about your house here. Like the question first one, my house has dash windows and dash doors. So here you can write about your house windows and doors. How many windows you have in your house and how many doors you have in your house. For example, you can write like 4 windows and 2 doors. Okay. There are dash rooms in my house. I can say 3 rooms in my house. So you check out with your house. Okay. There are dash members in my family. So you can write the number of members present in your family. Okay. Fill the missing letters. I have already filled the missing letters. You can refer them. I will read out for you. HOUSE, house. DOOR, door. WINDOW, window. MEMBERS, members. FAMILY, family. Okay, so you have to remember these words: house, door, window, members, family. And there's a small work for you. You have to draw and color a house. You have to draw a house first, then you have to color it. Okay, you have to practice drawing a house. Okay, so moving on to the next chapter, that is chapter number 7, clean habits. So in this we saw how to have the clean habits. Means what? How can we keep ourselves clean, ourselves neat? Yes, so let us see the question answers. Name some parts of the body. So can you tell me the parts of body, kids? Head, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, hands, fingers, legs. Okay, so I hope you remember them. The next question, how can we keep our body clean? So kids, how you keep your body clean? By taking bath every day, yes or no? So the answer is, we can keep our body clean by having bath every day. Okay, write one use of the following. So what is the use of eyes? Through eyes we can see, yes or no? आंखों से हम देख सकते हैं. Ears, कानों से हम सुन सकते हैं, yes or no? So ears helps us to hear. Hear बोले तो सुनना. Okay. Nose help us to smell. Hands helps us to write. Legs helps us to walk. Tongue helps us to taste. Okay. Fill in the blanks. I trim my nails with a nail cutter. Yes or no? We use nail cutter to trim our nails. Yes or no? I set my hair with a comb and hairbrush. I clean my teeth with a toothbrush. Yes or no? And also a toothpaste. I wash my face with water and a soap. I wipe my face with a towel. Okay. So there's one more work for you. You have to draw and name the parts of body. Okay. The next chapter number 8, safety and discipline. So here we have seen how to be disciplined, yes, and how to keep ourselves safe. Yes or no? Let us see the question answers. The first question, what is Q? So Q bole to standing in a line. Okay, standing in a line for our turn is called a queue. Name some places where we stand in a queue. So you have to name some places here where we will be standing in a queue. Some places like school, yes or no? In school, in prayers, you will be standing in a queue, yes or no? In post office also, we have to enter the post office in a queue. In hospital, we will be going in a queue. In a bus stand, we have to go in a queue. Okay. What do you mean by safety? So safety बोले तो क्या हो यहाँ? Safety ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪಾಯದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Safety is protecting ourselves from danger. Okay. Fill in the blanks. We must cross the road carefully. I have already filled the blanks. Okay. So only I will read out for you so that you can read by yourself. Okay. We must not play with sharp objects. Yes, kids, it is danger to play with sharp objects like knife. Okay. So don't play with the sharp objects. We go to hospital to get cured. So kids, when you fall sick, you have to meet a doctor. Okay, to get cured, you have to go to hospital. Okay, we go to school to read and write. Yes. So let us see the next chapter question answer. Chapter number 9, transportation. So we have seen what are the different transportation vehicles in this chapter. Yes. So let us see the question answers. Name some vehicles. Some vehicles are car, bus, bicycle, truck, van, etc. So these are some vehicles we know. Yes or no? So let us see the vehicles which move on the road. The vehicles which move on the road are car, bus, bicycle, van, truck. Yes. So the next one is which vehicles flies in the air? Aeroplane, helicopter, rocket. These flies in the air. Which vehicles are found in water? Boat, ship, ferry. These are found in water. Which vehicle runs on the railway track? Trains run on the railway track. Okay, now, who am I? There will be a sentence given to you. You have to guess the answer. I have two wheels. My bell goes trin trin trin. The answer is bicycle. I carry goods from one place to other. It may be a train or a truck. Okay. I am a slow moving vehicle pulled by bullocks. The answer is bullock cart. The last chapter question, chapter 10, I and my family. What do you call these people? So here these questions apply for the from the father side also, kids. The first question is your mother's mother. The answer is grandmother. The same way your father's mother also you will call them as grandmother. Okay. Your mother's father or it may be your father's father. उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ग्रैंडफादर बोलते हैं. Your mother's sister or your father's sister, we call them as aunt. Your mother's brother or your father's brother, we call them as uncle. Okay, so there is one more work for you. You have to tick right marks for the works which you do at home here. I have not ticked anything. This is up to you what you do in home. Okay, help mother in cleaning up the dining table. If you are helping, you can tick right here. If you are not, you can put wrong. Okay, help sister in watering the plants. तो आप हेल्प करते हैं आपकी सिस्टर को. आप करते रहे तो राइट मार्क डालो, नहीं तो रॉन्ग मार्क डालो. ओके, keep my room neat and tidy. If you're keeping your room neat, then put right mark. Arrange my books in the bookshelves. Do you arrange your books? If you're arranging, then put right mark. Keep my shoes in the proper place. Yes. Do you keep your shoes in proper place? Some kids do it, some kids will not do. So the kids who are doing, you have to put right mark here. The kids who do not do it can put wrong here. Okay. Keep my dirty clothes in the bucket for washing. It's up to you. Take my grandparents for a walk. Up to you. Okay. So think and answer for these. So I hope I'm clear with the question answers. So this completes the question answers from the chapter number 6 to 10. So there are still 5 chapters left from 11 to 15 that I will be uploading in the next video. I hope you understood the question answers. I am going to give the document as a PDF in the next video. Means all the question answers combiningly one PDF document I am going to share to all of you. Okay. Yes kids, I am going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.